The nominees for South Africa's best restaurant are Ching Ching Momiji, Protégé, Chef's Warehouse, Bo Constantia, Vermeer, Faber at Avondale, Restaurant Mosaic at the Orient, Wolfgat, Eike, Fame, La Petite Colombe, Jordan Restaurant, Jardine, The Werf at Boschendal, Campers at Vergelegen, Rust en Vrede, Janse & Co, Foxcroft, Pierneef à la Motte, Le Croix Français, La Colombe, Chef's Warehouse at Maison, Living Room at Summerhill Estate, La Tête, The Test Kitchen, Cray at the Saxon, Overture, The Restaurant at Waterkloof, Greenhouse, Saar Sophie, The Short Market Club. All will be revealed on 17 November.